I don't film internal. I only film just the elevator. That's the only thing I film. Only elevators. Can you take me round trip, please? Up and then down and then back up here and then I take a picture yourself. So you can't go down the ground from this one because they're locked.
Yeah, only 19 and 30. On 3.
Oh, okay. If you want to go down the elevator, take the elevator. That's
yeah, the outside.
19.
fixtures. I want to go down to 3. You have to hold it?
Yeah. Going down.
I'll do my cavity right now while I can. Take it, do it now because other times you can't go in here. Now or never. This is 2013 building, right?
Yes.
After that, back to 19 for me.
Sure.
But it's 19. Anybody coming in? I'm gonna hold it.
Is it?
Ah, both of us. It's once a year thing.
I'm going up.
Is this just one elevator running?
Well, 2 elevators. So whenever I'm done, someone is on the top.
Okay. Only taking pictures, filming elevators, but not outside.
Yeah.
I only choose elevators. I'm going to turn off my camera here because it's surface. Open door set. Okay, number 3, please. There's 2 elevators only, but other ones are for staff. Right?
Going down. What?
Other ones are for staff members who has a key card allowed to use it. This one and across from me are just for us today. Open door.
Yeah.
Okay then. Have a great day. Yo, what? 1 sec. Stop it here.